Anak Krakatau volcano has erupted, spewing ash as high as 3 kilometers to miles into the air. It was the longest eruption since the explosive collapse of the mountain caused a deadly tsunami in 2018. There were no casualties reported in the latest eruption and no evacuation order was issued. On April 8, 2024, a total solar eclipse will cross the United States from Texas to Maine. During this celestial phenomenon, the moon blocks out the sun's light over a narrow strip of the Earth. The entire eclipse will last a few hours, but totality will last just a few minutes. The path of totality is relatively narrow, just 115 miles wide. The U.S. Air Force only has 185 remaining F-22 Raptor fighter jets. The Raptor embodied the future of warfighting capabilities. However, a deep dive into the Raptor's history indicates that the platform's potential may have been stymied by politics,